Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back at you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome breakfast smoothie for weight loss. Now this is going to help you to stay on your journey with the wonderful idea of what to make for breakfast. So if you want to know what kind of meals, what kind of smoothies that you can prepare for yourself that's going to keep you on your weight loss journey, keep you within your weight loss goals, this is an idea for you right now, okay? So this is also for a snack. If you choose to snack in the middle of the day, in the evening, don't feel to eat a heavy meal, this is also a great meal replacement. So you're going to really enjoy this. This is a delicious smoothie. Now you're going to need 2 cups of pineapple, which I have in here. Okay, if you have frozen, that's perfect. You're also going to need 2 beets. Now, I know some of y'all ain't too great on beets, but listen, beets is good for you, okay? Eat your beets, okay? So you're going to need 2 regular-sized beets. You're also going to need some vanilla Greek yogurt. Okay, this is my Chobani yogurt. You're also going to need some almond breeze milk, okay? Whatever milk you choose, but almond breeze is wonderful. Anything that is healthy. You're also going to need 2 bananas. So I usually peel my bananas and freeze them for my smoothies. Okay, so we're going to need 2 of those. Now you're also going to need a blender because we got to blend this up. Okay, this is my new NutriBullet blender. Okay, so I'm going to put the bowl on that side for now. And what we're going to start off doing is we're going to cut these beets in pieces, okay, so this way you can get through the blades much easier. So we have 1 cup of yogurt and 1 cup of our almond milk. Alright, so I'm just going to put my blender right here. Now we're going to throw that into our blender. Alright, so cut your beets up, and you're going to need 2 regular sized beets. Next, we're going to get 2 of our bananas. Oh, Lord. Yep, there we go. Okay, 2 regular-sized bananas. Break those up, pop those in there as well. Next, we're going to take our 2 cups of pineapples. Pop that in there. Next, we're going to take our 1 cup of Greek yogurt and add that into our blender. That into the blender. And lastly, we're going to throw in our milk. So now let's pop this onto our blender and blend it down. Now you guys listen, this is the new NutriBullet full-size blender. Okay, this thing is definitely a wonder. It is powerful. It has digital buttons in the front. Okay, and it really blends your smoothies. It really breaks down these vegetables a whole lot better. Now I'm just going to pop this into my smoothie cup. And like I said, it really blends everything down. Oh, look how nice and creamy that is. Wow. Oh, look at the colors on that. Woo! And then we'll put it in my fancy mug for the video's sake. Okay. Just going to pop that over there. Wow, this is such a beautiful color. And it's so smooth and creamy, y'all. Like I said, you can use this as a breakfast smoothie. You can drink this as a snack smoothie. And this can also replace a meal if you're not that hungry. So let me get my straw, pop it in my mug. Oh, look at this. And try it out. This is so good, y'all. This is so good. Listen, if this is a breakfast smoothie, you're going to drink this as a meal replacement. Try to find a container big enough for the whole entire portion. Okay, you're going to feel full. It's filling. It's so delicious. You're going to forget that you're actually drinking beets. Okay, that's why I said drink your beets. Okay, if you don't like to eat them, drink them. Because this is delicious. The pineapple really gives a nice flavor. And it's really good. You can also boost this up. Throw some chia seeds in there. If you wanted to blend some flax seeds, you could have done that too. There's a lot of different ways that you could have boosted this drink up and made it more powerful with more protein and more fiber. So I want to thank you all for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Join me also on my other channel, which is called Velvet Vlogs, where you will see some. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Behind the scenes videos regarding hair care, beauty care, family vlogs, all sorts of things on that channel, okay? Join me on that channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe over there as well as this channel. And if you want to see more health videos, ideas, stay tuned, okay? I got so much more in store for you guys.
Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.